This is in the nature. If you go outside, you can experience nature for free. You can listen to the wind in the trees, listen to the quietness. It feels like I would like to lay down in the green mossa. I don't know what it's called in English. This is nature, this is forest, this is where we are from. The trees will go on standing here long after you are gone from this body, but not as a soul. As a soul, you are eternal. And now, when you're in this body on this earth, you have the opportunity to experience nature and whatever you want to do on your life's journey. Don't wait, because no one knows when the journey ends. That's not your decision. That's the decision from the universe. You can't decide. You can just enjoy the ride while you're here and make it a happy, joyful one. You're never alone. Remember that. You are never alone.